Kuzu Sangpo, Taringagi Seshi Tigachi Kolishunimo, Sewachin, Tarpi Lamnu, Tinshu Chakupi Kolishuni, Deyang, Tarpa Simidi, Ledan Nimumpa, Sepina Tar, Sisundu Zumbe, Rangisim Luyang, Ju Ledan Nimupa, Mipsumiti Lulabi. Ngaji Gara Beru, Simlu Dewada, Shidi Gumi Tanzara Imle, Rangi, Le Gewa Sabachin, Debu, Dewa Tognita, Rangi, Le Migewa Sabachin, Debu Dungi Nyom Demache kamsum khowadi dungel girajin imle dinamya juro mibi dewa thopse jide tarpa sangi gi kofa cham chi mato jin meble rangi semluya decha shedang timu la sopi nimung panam pandi jimba dap chiljim la sopi parchindam lu chendi tharpi lamlu chengo si shuni sangi chungdin degi jeleya Nini chela tharpi thaptingi tharpa rala rale shepargi se sundu zumbe ngaji doa simjin thamchen tharpa thopni ki delu sangi ki thap khela tuji chungba mebi kone simjin namgi sampi jejata de gilu yebi nimongpa geti shitungi nembo chegi phumbo geti shitung sunyeble tharpa thop mi thopdi rana susulu rak legup Debiole Dadungachi, me litin top, Dambi Chedaje, Lam Giwi Shin in the Jiwi Disu, Sim Lely Wandu Mashua, Dida Nampakinto, Tarpa Top Nilu, Rangira Tinshuchap Kubi. Jitin Pichetam Lea, Che Rangi Bedi, Sa Magin, Che Rugi Bedi, Sa Mige, se Labdo Zumbe, Rangi, Ningi Delira, Kinchu Sumlu, Devada Ichi Kedi. Rangi Simlu Yebi, Nimungpa Nampandi, Rangi Simdi, Chekui Rajin Yimba, Totsu Bekop Rangi Simdi, Chekui Rajin Yimba, Totsu Bajin, Tarpa Zero, Dira Sishuni Ila, Katinche.
A very warm greetings to you all. I'll be talking about to attain nirvana, one must strive by oneself. So, what actually is nirvana or salvation? It is nothing but the depletion of negative karma and afflictive emotions. Every one of us are longing for ease and peaceful life. So, to have such life, one should be doing good virtues and avoid demerits, so that the revolution will be of what we are doing. We all are aware of samsara. The cyclic existence is full of sufferings and distress. So, to be free from this all and to have ease, we must endeavor the 6 perfections such as generosity, moral ethics, endurance, perseverance, concentration, and wisdom to deplete the afflictive emotions such as desire, anger, ignorance, arrogance, and jealousy. Buddha has stated that, I have shown you the method that leads to liberation, but you should know that liberation depends upon yourself. In these 6 realms, we all are longing for nirvana. To attain nirvana, Buddha has taught the great collection of holy doctrine in 84,000 texts to antidote for 84,000 of afflictive emotions depending upon the sensory capacity and assumptions. So attaining nirvana solely depends on individuals where we have achieved this precious human life and we have the chances to see with the spiritual teachers. So when we have this human life, we should not fall on sensual pleasures and afflictive emotions. Rather, we should work hard to attain nirvana. As saying goes, through others' industry, one can't enlightened be. We have to have confidence and devotion to triple gems by avoiding demerits and afflictive emotions. With this, we can or we should understand that our mind is no different from Dharmakaya. If we can input our mind as unadulterated to the ultimate body of Buddha, then that is called nirvana. So, to attain nirvana, one must strive by oneself. Thank you.